Top 10 Australian airlines in 2024. Australians aviation market is vibrant and competitive, with airlines offering a mix of domestic and international services of meet the needs of travelers. In 2024, the top Australian airlines continue to innovate and expand, enhancing their fleet routes and customer service. Here is a detailed look at the top 10 Australian airlines in 2024. Number 1. Qantas Airways. Qantas Airways, Australia's flag carrier, remains the leading airline in the country, known for its exceptional service and extensive route network. Qantas operates both domestic and international flights to over 85 destinations worldwide. In 2024, Qantas has further upgraded its fleet with more fuel-efficient aircraft and enhanced its in-flight entertainment and dining options. The airline's frequent flyer program, Qantas Frequent Flyer, is highly regarded for its extensive partner network and generous rewards. Number 2. Virgin Australia. Virgin Australia continues to be a major player in the Australian aviation industry, offering a wide range of domestic and international flights. With a focus on customer experience, Virgin Australia provides excellent services, comfortable seating, and competitive pricing. In 2024, the airline has expanded its international routes, particularly to Asia and the Pacific. The Velocity Frequent Flyer program remains popular among travelers for its flexibility and value. Number 3. Jetstar Airways. Jetstar Airways, a subsidiary of Qantas, is Australia's leading low-cost carrier. Jetstar operates both domestic and international flights covering destinations across Asia, the Pacific, and New Zealand. Known for its affordable fares and efficient service, Jetstar has continued to expand its route network in 2024, adding new destinations and increasing flight frequencies. And the airline's Club Jetstar membership program offers additional savings and benefits to frequent travelers. Number 4. Rex Airlines Regional Express. Rex Airlines, primarily serving regional and remote areas, is essential for connecting smaller communities with major cities. Operating from hubs in Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane, Rex provides reliable and affordable flights across Australia. In 2024, Rex has expanded its domestic network and introduced more modern aircraft to its fleet. The airline is known for its friendly service and strong commitment to regional connectivity. Number 5. Alliance Airlines is a significant player in the Australian charter and fly out (FIFO) markets, pertains primarily to the mining and resource sector.